If you check out this channel, you'll see that it easily makes over $1,000 a month. All you need is your computer or even your phone, and this video you're watching now. You won't need much extra time to start making money from this niche. So, watch the video from start to finish. Besides discussing this niche, you can create both short and long videos, and you'll definitely get a lot of views. Summer is here, and it's the perfect time for creativity. In this video, we'll explore a new niche that's ideal for the hot season, full of holidays and love. We'll use this opportunity to create a series of videos that can get lots of views on social media. The income from these videos can vary depending on your effort and dedication. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel to help us reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers and leave encouraging comments. Now, let's dive into the video we're making today.
Top 5 romantic movies to watch with your girlfriend. Directed by Damien Chazelle, this musical romance has an IMDb rating of 8.0. Dive into the dreamy love story of a jazz musician and an aspiring actress in LA. Rob Reiner brings us this classic romantic comedy with a 7.7 IMDb rating. Follow Harry and Sally's journey from strangers to best friends to maybe something more. Directed by Nick Cassavetes and rated 7.8 on IMDb, this tearjerker tells the timeless tale of Noah and Allie's passionate romance. Richard Linklater's sequel to Before Sunrise has an IMDb rating of 8.1. Reconnect with Jesse and Celine as they reignite their deep connection 9 years later. This fantasy adventure, directed by Rob Reiner, is an 8.0 on IMDb. Experience a fairy tale love story with sword fights, giants, and true love.
Before we begin, let me explain. This niche is about movies and series. I have selected some types of films for you, marked in different colors to show their popularity. Yellow is for Class A, green is for Category B, and blue is for Category C. Now, after choosing the type of movie or series, you'll need a script. You have two options: write it yourself or hire a professional. If you're just starting, I recommend writing it yourself. Next, you'll need to turn the script into audio. We'll use 11 Labs for this, as usual. For clips related to the movie or series, remember that each clip should be less than 3 or 4 seconds. Let's start explaining. If the first step I take in this video is to search for the best romantic series, I will choose 5 of them whose names and details are available on Google. I will highlight them like this. Now we need a video hook. I suggest adding something like Top 5 Romantic Series or Best 5 Films to grab attention. Here, I will highlight the top 5 romantic movies you should watch with your girlfriend. If English is not your strong suit, especially if you're from a non-English speaking country, I recommend writing your hook and sending it to ChatGPT to rewrite it. Next, we will go to ChatGPT and ask for a special script for a short video that is no longer than 45 seconds. We'll wait for it to write the script. After writing the script, you can see that it suggested the movies we want. Now, copy the name of the first movie and go to YouTube to find a clip, or use the TikTok app to download clips. Don't worry about copyright issues because we will use these clips legally by blurring them and using them only as background. Make sure to download a clip for each movie. After downloading the videos, we will need to download images of each movie, like the cover image. Once you have the photos, we will need music. Go to Pixabay and search for royalty-free music that fits our topic. Choose the music, download it, and upload it because we will use it in the montage. We will now need a narrator to present the information for each movie, including its details and rating. To do this, we'll use the 11 Labs website to convert text to speech, as it offers a variety of voices. I recommend using the famous voice of Adam. Copy the paragraph about the narrator from the script, paste it on the 11 Labs site, and click Generate to download the audio. Don't forget to convert the hook to audio as well. Repeat this process for all paragraphs. Next, open CapCut and import all the files we downloaded earlier. Start by adding the audio for the hook, then add the video clips as background. Adjust the video size to 9:16 and enlarge it to fill the screen, then set its duration. Add the necessary text to the first video, starting with top 5. Select a suitable font, like cartoon. Then add the next word, romantic, and adjust its size and font. Finally, add the word movies. Change its font and adjust its size. Next, use the stickers feature to find a sticker representing love and relationships, adjust its placement and duration. Add animation to each word using slide right with consistent fonts. And add effects like blur, vignette, and noise to enhance the video. Finally, return to the word romantic and change its color to add an aesthetic touch to the writing. Now it's time to add the movie clips. First, import the clips and enlarge their size to fit the screen. Cut a short clip for the movie introduction, then reduce the audio volume of the second clip and add a blur effect. Next, add the movie cover with the appropriate animation and adjust the image duration to match the audio. Add the movie's audio, then copy the movie's name and year from ChatGPT and place it at the top left of the video, adjusting the font and style. Add slide right and slide left animations to the text. Repeat this process for all remaining movies. For the series segment, cut a 3-second clip, mute its audio, add the movie audio, blur the silent clip, and add the image and text with animations, changing the font and style as needed. Repeat these steps for all videos. Finally, search for copyright-free camera transitions on YouTube and download them. After downloading the transitions, add them and cut the necessary clips. Adjust their size, add the screen option, and place them in the appropriate transition spots. Next, add captions by going to the text option feature and selecting Auto Caption. Ensure the language is set to English and press Create. Wait for the captions to appear, then change their templates and adjust their placement. Now, add the previously downloaded music to the clips with the narrator's voice and delete the music from other clips. Lower the music volume so it doesn't overpower the narrator's voice, and adjust the duration of the music as needed. Finally, extract the video. As always, check the video quality and the number of frames before extracting it.